Getting an RV loan is now easier than ever, but getting a loan for your dream RV, that can be quite hard. So you found it, the perfect Class A motorhome. You've got a great credit score, a solid down payment, and you're already picturing yourself on the open road. You apply for the loan and you're denied. It makes no sense, right? Well, luckily, there's a way to understand what's happening. The RV you fell in love with might be the exact reason you can't get the financing. And in this video, I will show you exactly what's going on and how to fix it. So the first step is to understand this frustrating truth. Lenders care as much about the RV as they do about your credit score. That beautiful, high-end motorhome is seen as a high-risk, rapidly depreciating asset. Now, you might see online that the minimum credit score for an RV loan is around 660, 670. But when lenders see an application for a rig that costs hundreds of thousands of dollars, they view it as a luxury item and tighten their requirements significantly. Essentially, what they want to do is see a nearly perfect application before they gamble on such an expensive asset. And this is where it gets tricky. It's not just your score. Another major hurdle is your debt-to-income ratio, or DTI. Lenders get nervous when this number is too high, and they typically want to see it under 40%. So, even with a great score, if your DTI is off, they see that dream machine as their financial wild card, and they won't play along. So how do you fix this? The next step is to understand the specific demands for your chosen RV. First, you want to increase your down payment. The typical down payment is about 10%, but if you can offer 20% or more, it reduces the lender's risk and shows you have serious skin in the game. That alone can make a huge difference. Next up, you have to be strategic about how you describe your plans. This one's a big one. Many banks get really nervous about financing a primary residence that can just be driven away. Telling a lender you plan to live in the RV full-time can be an automatic deal breaker for some of them. Have you been rejected for an RV loan because of the rig itself? Share your experience in the comments below to help everyone else figure this out. But before you do anything else, I strongly encourage you to do this one thing. Check the real credit score lenders actually use and review your full credit report. The free scores you see online are often different from the FICO score version a lender will use to make a decision. I've put a link in the description below so you can check yours right now. So there you have it. This is a super quick and easy way to understand why not all RVs are financed equally. Your great credit score is just one piece of the puzzle. Before you fall in love with a rig, you want to investigate its specific financing hurdles. Understanding these hidden rules is the difference between your dream sitting in the driveway or being stuck on the dealer's lot.